I never thought I would make a freaking pineapple the size of me. Y'all can't even, oh my god!
It feels like a bed.
Hey girl, hey! What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something so crazy, and I know this looks crazy right now you guys, but today we are making a giant life size? I don't even know, okay? This is gonna be as big as me, honey. I have never ever made a squishy from scratch. I mean, I've used my squishy art kit, you know, shameless self promo here. Get your squishy kit at Target or whatever, but I've never made a squishy from scratch, like literally having to cut up the foam. Ain't nobody got time for that, honey. I don't know how this is gonna happen because this is so big. We're just doing this for the first time right now. Like I literally didn't even try to do this off camera. Like we're just gonna go with it, okay? I have a good feeling about this, but I'm really scared. I don't know. We have two giant foams right here. This is like literally huge. Cutting the foam. I'm not about to go in with scissors. Not until the end when we have to like get details or whatever, but we're just gonna go in with this. So this is an electric knife, and this is what's gonna help me cut it up. You're probably watching like, what are you doing? This is gonna help me put it together. This is gonna be great. And we have some paint, shaving cream, and we also need some glue, so I'll get that right now. But we're gonna make our own puffy paint. So puffy paint is what's gonna color it up and bring it to life. Ain't nobody got time right now to go buy 100 puffy paints, and that's a lot, okay? So we're just gonna DIY it. I guess we'll just go ahead and get started. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button. Please click that like button, you guys. This is gonna take forever right now. Just do it. It's free. Click that like button. Subscribe for future videos. Comment down below if I should make like another giant squishy one day, or like, I don't know. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get straight on to this giant squishy. I am not ready, but let's do this. So we got one foam on the table. We're taking the inside of the squishy, so there's two foams. This is gonna be like the middle of it. I'm gonna draw it out first, and then I'm gonna go in with a knife and make a little bit of slits because it's gonna make it even squishier. There's a lot going on, y'all. This is a big squishy, so I'm kind of like, where do you even begin, you know? Like, I never thought I would make a freaking pineapple the size of me. I don't think it matters that much if you don't make it perfect, because I mean, it's just the inside. This is all gonna make sense, right? And then maybe about halfway, maybe like right here, I think I'm gonna end my pineapple part. Something like this. You guys, I look so confused right now, and that's because I am. This is going to be a challenge, honey. I feel like this is good. I'm getting inspiration from my pineapple right here. It's like big from the top and big from the bottom. So I'm doing half and half, and then we're gonna draw the top now. Would be that one, I think. Oh. I think the last ones, like they just kind of go upward. Like that. Something like that. I think it looks so cute already. Wow, Karina. Okay guys, so now we're gonna score the squishy, and I'm just gonna start cutting this up, because not cutting it up, we're just gonna make some lines, and this is gonna make it squishier. I'm literally just going to go in. All right kids, so here's a tip. Don't play with knives. Have adult supervision when you're doing this, and have the adult take care of this part, okay? It's just squishier already. I think this is good. It's already squishier, you feels? So we are taking the electric knife now. Adult supervision, once again. So we're gonna go ahead and cut out the shape. If you're doing it on a table, like push it to the edge of the table, and like it's kind of like hanging off. It's not on the table because you don't want to ruin it, you know. Whoa, that's crazy. Whoa. And we got that piece off. All right, you guys, so now we have the general shape of it, right? We went ahead and cut it already, and it's looking good so far. So we're gonna take the other foam and we're gonna go ahead and outline this, and then we're gonna score it, and then I think we're gonna stick it on and start cutting and stuff. So let's go ahead and outline this. Where is my pen? Where did I leave my marker at? Oh wait, it's in my pocket. Found it. All right, so we have our outliner already, and we're just gonna do the same thing that we did to the first one. We're gonna score it, and then we will stick it together. So this is some foam adhesive that we're just gonna spray on, and it's gonna make it stick together. Isn't that crazy? I didn't even know foam adhesive existed. Whoa. Let's make sure we don't mess this up. Line it up right there. Amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and just press down on this for a few minutes to really get it stuck, you know. That stuff is crazy. All right, guys, so the squishy is now stuck. It's not going anywhere. Do you guys see that? Like, it is good. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing that we did to this one, cut it up, and then get to like details and like, you know, rounding it out or whatever. Let's do it. So I just got back from the store with my new electric knife, and we already finished cutting it. But now I'm gonna go in with this one and really shape it out and get that rounded shape, or, you know, just play around with it, whatever. We're just gonna try to shape it a little bit. I'm nervous about this because this is the hardest part, I'm assuming. It's been kind of easy so far, but let's do this. I'm not sure where to begin, honestly, but what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut out the edges first and then start to smooth it out, because I feel like if I just kind of go in anywhere, like I'm really gonna mess it up. So I'm gonna start off from the edges. All right, y'all, I think we finally finished the cutting part. Y'all, it's been a long day. Can you tell I'm getting tired? Because I feel like my energy levels are like way down here right now. We're done with this part, and can we just like talk about how good this actually came out? I feel like it came out really nice. Look how smooth it is. There's literally foam pieces all up in my hair that I feel like it's never gonna come out. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. It's so tiny. It's in my face, it was in my eyes, in my mouth. It's all up in my shoes right now. I am a mess. We got over the hardest part. Now we're going to do the funnest part, and we're gonna paint this baby. Whoa, it looks so cute already. I'm so excited. Dude, this is like gigantic. Oh my God. The squishy's like literally weighing me down. Oh my gosh, this thing is so big, you guys. The squishy's gonna squish me, y'all. All right, you guys, so now it's time to make our puffy paint. So the way to make puffy paint is basically just glue some kind of acrylic paint and some shaving cream, and then if you want, you know, your color, some food coloring. We're gonna make green and yellow for now. Some people add flour in the recipes, but we're just gonna keep it simple. So we're gonna go in with the paint. It's equal parts paint with glue. All right, now we're gonna go in with some food coloring. Make our green. I think that'll be good. Make our yellow. Now we're gonna mix this in before we mix in our shaving cream. Ooh, it's so thick. On to the yellow. Ooh, the yellow is bright. All right, you guys, so that's now mixed in. Look how pretty these colors are. Time to add in our shaving cream. Ooh, okay. I feel like I'm making fluffy slime right now. Mix, mix, mix. All right, our puffy paint is now done. I guess let's paint this now. Huh? Oh my gosh. Okay, this works amazing. Oh my gosh, this paint is like amazing. It's so thick. Whoa. Our pineapple looks like it came together. Like, honestly, I didn't think it would be this easy to actually paint it. So now we're gonna paint the top part, and we also wanna make a face and everything, but we're gonna let this dry first. All right, let's just dump this on top like so. We're finishing up. It's looking great. It looks way cuter than I thought. All right, so now I'm just gonna do like the leaf detail texture type of thing, like that. You guys, my table is definitely ruined. Y'all might have noticed the lighting change, and that is because the sun went down. It looks like we just finished this part, and the next thing we're gonna do is just wait days. Basically, we're gonna wait days for it to dry, and then we'll come back and add some detail in the face and stuff, because it's actually gonna have a face. But we're gonna go ahead and let it sit. I'll see y'all in a few days, but really like in the next clip, like literally in 1 second. Okay. Okay, you guys, so my squishy is now completely dry. We finally finished the painting. It's been an entire week, y'all. I know it's been a second ago for you, but it's literally been days. We let this dry. The only thing that there is left to do is putting a face on this baby, because it's cute and all, but I want to make it a character-ish type of thing. There's actually a specific squishy that I'm inspired from, and I believe it has like a name. I think it's the name's like Penelope the pineapple or something like that. So I kind of want to do that. And for that, I actually have some foam paper because it's squishy too. All right, how big do I want these eyes to be? It's mostly just like a little face and then the bow. So I think that should be good. Then she has some pretty lashes. Okay, so here is my eyelash slash eyeliner. It actually looks really cute now that I cut it out. How cute! We're gonna cut these out separately so that the lips could look like they're two individual lips. Is that normal? I'm gonna put a tiny, tiny little gap in between them. She looks so cute. Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. So the bow, I think it should be a different shade of pink. I think that's good. So let's go ahead and cut out a little bow for her. So this looks crazy right now. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it as one and then stick this on top. You guys, how adorable is this? And that's the little bow. Oh my gosh, and that's it. She looks like she's ready. She is put together and she is ready for squishing, honey. Whoa, this is huge. I'm actually thinking like, what am I gonna do with a squishy? Slay queen. Time to meet the family. Let's go. Go ahead, girl. Wow, it's not going anywhere. Actually, should I just toss it? I mean, it's just squishy. You doing, Jasmine? Is that my slime?
Yeah, only available at Target.
Link down below. Oh my god. You're gonna break the table. Do you want to catch it?
Yeah.
Wait, no! Do you want to see what I made?
What is that?
It's the giant squishy.
Why is it so big?
Because I made it. Scared to drop it, Jasmine.
Ready, 1.
No, don't catch it. It might actually smash you though because it's huge.
It's not.
Get out of the way. It's gonna hurt you.
It's not gonna smash you.
Jasmine, it's huge. Move.
Go. I thought you bought it like online or something. I like it. It's like humongous.
We have a problem. I think it broke a little bit.
Na, 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 my best friend. You the one.
Cringe.
Maya, look at the squishy. Why is it kind of hard like from the front?
because the paint, I tried, okay? This took me literally like a week, sweetie.
The bottom is squishier. Okay, cool.
It's like a bed. He's just chilling. He's like, this is like a bed right now. I think he's scared of it.
It feels like a bed.
I literally just want to lay on this. This thing took forever. This was wild, but it came out so cute. Smash that like button. Have you done it? Are you doing it? Click that like button, y'all. This is actually one of the funnest DIYs I think I've ever filmed because it's such a huge squishy. Like, are you guys seeing me next to this squishy? Thank you guys so much for watching. Me and Penelope the pineapple are gonna take a nap. Do not forget that I'm going on tour with Natalie and Wendy. I will make sure to link that down below. CreateYourSummerTour.com. Go get your tickets. Well, I cannot wait to meet you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.